In this sample problem, we're going to do a partial fraction decomposition. When we have a partial fraction decomposition, we first want to factor the denominator to see what we're dealing with. In this case, it'll be 5x over x minus 8 times x minus 7. All right, so now we need to break it up into fractional components. This would equal a over x minus 8 plus b over x minus 7. We're just breaking up the factors into different fractions. Now, in order to add those fractions together, we need a common denominator. So now we're going to kind of re-engineer it. We're going to multiply the left one by x minus 7 over x minus 7. That's just a fancy version of 1. Because you can only multiply a fraction by 1 to keep it the same. And then the right fraction, we're going to multiply by x minus 8 over x minus 8. Now we've got a times x minus 7 plus b times x minus 8 all over x minus 7, x minus 8. Observe that this is still equal to 5x over x minus 7 times x minus 8. Since the denominator is the same on both sides of the equation, we can essentially ignore it by multiplying both sides by x minus 7 over x minus 8 to come up with the following: 5x equals a times x minus 7 plus b times x minus 8. Now we distribute the a and the b. 5x equals ax minus 7a plus bx minus 8b. Then combine the like terms. A plus b times x plus negative 7a minus 8b. Well, if you look at the right side and the left side, you'll notice that if I rewrite the left side to 5x plus 0 equals a plus b times x plus negative 7a minus 8b, that 5 has to equal a plus b. So a plus b equals 5. And likewise, 0 has to equal negative 7a minus 8b. Now we have a system of equations. You can use whatever method of solving a system of equations that you like. I prefer elimination, so I'm going to multiply the top one here by 8, and this becomes 8a plus 8b equals 40. And I'm going to add them together, and I get a equals 40. Likewise, b must equal negative 35. Got that by subbing it into the first equation. So now we're done. We know that 5x over x squared minus 15x plus 56 is equal to 40 over, up here, x minus 8 minus 35 over x minus 7. And we're done.